Hi, this is Srinika. So now let's discuss about the topic recursions, scope of variables and storage classes in C programming. So recursion introduction. Recursion is a process where a function calls itself, used to solve problems that can be broken into smaller subproblems. Example, factorial calculation, Fibonacci series, tree or tree, tree structures. So let's know how the recursion works. It requires base case and recursive call. The base case stops recursion and recursion call function calling itself. Without a base case, recursion leads to infinite loop. So, so example of a recursion, here is an example. If n equal to 0, return 1. This is the base case. Return n into fact n minus 1. This is the recursive call. May here the output of this program, if the input is 5, so it prints the factorial of 5, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. The value is 120. So now let's discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of the recursion. So advantages are code becomes simpler and clean, useful for divide and conquer problems. So the disadvantages is takes more memory and slower execution when compared to loops. Scope of variables. Scope define where a variable can be accessed. There are two types: local variables and global variables. Local variables declared inside a function or a block that can be used only within that function. Memory is allocated when function is called, destroyed after exit. Example, void fun int a equal to 0. This is the local variable. So now let's discuss about the global variables. These are declared outside a function. This can be accessed by all the functions in the program. Memory exists for the entire program execution. Example, int x equal to 20. This is the global variable. This is declared outside a function. So now let's discuss about the storage classes. Storage classes define lifetime of a variable, scope of a variable, default initial value, and storage location. So like types are auto, static, register, extern. So auto storage class. This is default for variables declared inside functions. Lifetime only inside the function. Memory stack. Example, auto int equal to 5. So static storage class. This returns value when even after the function exists. Useful for counters in functions. Example, static int count equal to 0. Register storage class. This is stored in CPU registers instead of RAM. This has faster access, used for frequently accessed variables. Example, register int equal int I. External storage class. This is used to access global variable declared in another file. Does not create any new memory. Example, extern int x. So thank you for watching, everyone.